headed up to Lake Serene, Bridal Falls, and it's about 6 hours of hiking. So we'll see. It's gonna be tough, but gonna get it done in record time, hopefully, so I can take a break when I get back. But look at this pretty green mountain area. Beautiful. Evergreen trees here. Beautiful moss on the trees. Yeah, it's fucking things are makers. It's really nice. Look at this bridge. I wonder how long it's been here. Look, it's beautiful. Right now, the trail is pretty empty for the most part, but I saw about 40 people entering the trailhead as I was parking the car. So yeah, they're out here somewhere. There's only one way to go. The trail is pretty defined, so I expect the waterfall and the lake itself to be really crowded. So hopefully by the time I get there, most of these folks are heading back, so I can have a little time without people being around. We'll see. Log crossing. These are always cool. You gotta be careful. Oh crap, gotta go down and then back up. What the heck? That's not cool. Hiking up these stairs to go see Bridal Falls. This is no joke. The legs are starting to get tight, but keeping on, keeping on. Wow, amazing. Bridal Falls. I've been here 2017, I think. Yeah, pretty awesome. Alright, saw the waterfall, got some good videos and pictures. Now it's time to head to the next 3 miles, 2 miles I guess. 7 mile total trip, but the lake I think is 3 more miles from here. I hope it's not, but that's what the map says. So let's get it. It's downhill for a while, and I'm sure it's gonna be climbing to get to the lake itself, the mountain lake. So let's see. Back in the day when I come here, I can just take my time and chill out. I could today, but I got an appointment this afternoon, so I'm gonna get back as soon as I can. But I will sit at the lake for a little bit, at least 15 minutes or so, just to soak it all in. But trust me guys, it's gonna be worth it. Do not click away from this channel. And consider subscribing if you haven't already. Thanks. Mini waterfall as we're about to cross over the bridge in a few seconds. Another waterfall behind trees. Look.
This one? You want it here or this one over there?
17 switchbacks and 12 minutes to the lake. Something said. But yeah, a lot of walking. Look at this fuzzy tree. It's pretty neat. That's actually really pretty. So many stairs. Tired. Just get a little perspective. Gotta go this way. Back. Probably all the way up there somewhere. So we got a lot of more switchbacks to go. God dang it. Whew. Not really a scramble, but you better be careful with your step because there's literally no clear path. There's a clear path to get there, but the path is covered in tiny rocks and boulders all over the place. So be very careful. Don't sprain your ankle because it's quite a ways down if you do. Look at that view of the mountains high above. And the valley down below. Check out the view of this place. Yep, it's nice. Little stream, little fish. It's cool. All right, guys, what we've all been waiting for. Lake down below. It seems easy, but there's still some little downhills to go. But look at that pretty water. It's turquoise. And the mountains with snow. Snow wants to suck. How that happened, I have no clue. Must be a spare. Walking across this narrow bridge. The lake. This thing is so good I can't capture on my camera one view.
While you're standing from the other side.
Oh, sorry, man.
You're fine.
Alright, so this is the view from Lunch Rock. And it's worth the extra 2 levels of stairs. Get the heck out of here. This is so amazing.
Because like before you go to a program, because like you want to learn from coach. What's the point now? Is it people down there swimming?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh wait, what
Yeah, I do YouTube, so I try to get good footage of all this kind of stuff and shit with the world.
you need to get a feel of the water, bro.
Hunting, fishing, hiking, drones, kayaking. Yeah, so that's fun stuff.
It's always nice to have you.
Shit, that be way out there. Yeah, that's a good swimmer.
You're not jumping? Such a ball. Go on, send it.
It's a hell no, I ain't seeing nothing.
Uncle, jump off. Why you guys look so beautiful? Also back to the church. So I'm going. Okay, I'm going. Yeah, dude.
Thought that was paying for a second.
About to jump in there? Oh, nice. It take about a whole hour. Best just go ahead and do it instead of stop thinking about it.
Wait for them to get out of the way.
Gotcha. That guy's a good swimmer.
Huh?
That guy is a good swimmer. Not sure he even started from it.
His nose is jumped out.
Alright, time to head back. Had a few jumpers into the lake today, which is cool footage. Now I gotta get back and I won't make it back to about 4 o'clock. Cause these 3.5 miles are gonna take a while to complete. But yeah, it's nice though. See you next time, Lake Serene. You were amazing.
Oh, you're done?
Yeah, I gotta meet somebody at 4 o'clock. I'm gonna barely make it.
Oh, okay.
It's a 2-hour drive back to Tacoma, so.
Oh, you've been to Tacoma?
Yeah, so I gotta hurry up and.
Have a good one, buddy.
Appreciate it, you too. Sun came out at perfect time, guys. Yeah, it's beautiful.
Yeah, they're pretty respectful.
Lake Serene. Super nice. And relaxing. Look at this place. Surrounded by beautiful mountains and a lake. There's no fish up here, by the way. But yeah, super nice. Soak it all in, people. Make the trip if you're in the area, Washington, and drove from Portland or flying from another state. It's a nice one of the good ones out here. Can't get enough of it. More views, guys, more views. All these huge old trees. This tree's pretty much dead, but still providing ground support and stabilization. All right, got about a mile to go. I am really tired. Now I can go find some food and relax for a bit and get ready to fly to town tomorrow. Almost there. Thanks for hanging in there. Heading back across the log. Almost done. A lot of boulders out here. Gotta be careful so I don't slip. But this is pretty amazing. Uh-oh, water crossing. This is a nice little wooden plank. Damn, those fucking stairs. This is definitely not the place you come to if you're not prepared. I thought I was somewhat prepared. I've been running, exercising every day, but this is kicking my butt. I'm at 3.77 miles, and I still got about another 20 minutes to get to the lake. But overall, not bad. Just gonna take my time. So stick with me. We're almost there. It's gonna be worth it when we get to the top. A little forecast, overcast today, but still see a little blue sky peeking through it. So hopefully the mountain lake is clear as well. But yeah, we'll see. All right. If this was it, I'll be cool. But gotta make it to the lake at this point. Only a few more minutes away from it. And yeah, we'll take a break, drink some electrolytes, and then head back down for the 2-hour drive back home. The thing about Washington, most of the hikes, the good hikes, from Seattle to Tacoma region area, are hour to 2 hours. My favorite hike is 4 hours, which is Blanca Lake. So yeah, be prepared. Preferably at 5 a.m. Get there by 7, if not earlier. But yeah, definitely got to plan ahead. And go to recreation.gov to get your pass before you get here. It's $5. If you have your national park pass, just put that in your window with your with your signature facing up, and that'll be enough to let the park ranger know not to give you a ticket. So just a few tips when you make the trip out. Definitely worth it. All right, hike is complete. I am dog tired. Now it's time to go find some food and maybe a beer. Yeah, like I said earlier, this took a little longer than expected, but definitely worth the views and whatnot. So if you're in the area, Washington, Seattle, Tacoma area, definitely come check it out. You won't regret it. And subscribe to my channel and share. All right, see y'all next time.